In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. So you'll generally start off in the module screen, and what you want to do is under the sales bracket, you can check leads, contacts, accounts in any of those specific groups that you want to send your email to or any other string that you've created. So we'll use contacts. Now you can go through your list of contacts, you can filter them if you want to, or if you want to highlight everyone, you can just click on the top box here. And you'll see when I click on send email, it'll show that there are 7 more people who are going to receive the email. Now I need to select a template, and I don't have any templates here. So what I'll do is click on create a template. If you have templates, you can just skip this step. And now just pick any of the templates that fit you and hit select on your template. Now it'll bring you here so that you can edit it. And I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can edit it if you want to. Make sure to enter a template name and a template subject. And once you've done that, you can hit save and save now. And then again on save to, just choose the folder and hit save again. Now you want to go all the way back to your original module, select everybody again, select template in your emails. Now you'll see you have your template here and you can just click on it. And then you can either send it immediately or you can schedule it for later. And then all you have to do is hit send. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.